Yes everyone, how are we? So this is the passenger side track rod end getting sorted now, so I've finally managed to do it. A lot of people said to me you're probably not going to be able to do it because of the paint on that side caliper rod. So I just gave it a good wide brush down, just getting up, cleaning all the threads, used as much WD-40 as possible, and then just basically did exactly the same as the other side. Once I managed to crack the thread, just going up and down, just gave it a good hammer with a mallet, and it did work that way. So I didn't need to apply any heat to both sides. Thanks for all the help and all the advice from everyone. It's really appreciated. Luckily, I didn't have to use any heat, so it wasn't an extra spend. But knowing me moving forward, especially knowing this car, I probably will have to get some kind of torch just to heat nuts and bolts up moving forward, just so it's a little bit easier. So yeah, everything's getting there now. It's looking bang on. So like I say, normally I just have to, give my head a rest for a day just before I crack on with things again. When I did my radiator change, it took a few days, just bitting and bobbing, do you know what I mean? Because sometimes I just get a bit muddled, a bit frustrated with it, and it takes longer than usual. But we always get there in the end, you know what I mean? So nice one for the help, guys, and I'll see you all top end.